In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson WorkForce WF-7830 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux laptop, tablet, or PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-7830 support, and you want to search for that. So you may need to scroll down a little bit, and there should be an item. There should be an Epson domain that says Epson WorkForce WF-7830 DTWF support. Go ahead and open that up. And then you just want to scroll down. Again, you want to make sure you're on Epson's website here up at the top, and you want to select the product setup link and then the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your device, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher and select yes. And at this point, just pursue it through on-screen wizard, get your printer configured based on your preferences, such as if you want to have wired or wireless printing, as well as enabling certain features or optional updates and programs that may be bundled with the printer software. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.